Okay, so we were doing subject-verb agreement rules,
Yeah. So
and we just completed on anybody, anyone, and that they were singular.
yeah,
And
we
that
understood any word that ends with one body or thing,
One body thing, yes.
singular.
Yes.
So now it's about all and some.
I'll just go back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In case of all and some, they can be both singular as well as plural.
Yes, it depends upon
depending
what
on
they're
what
referring
they're
to.
referring
Absolutely.
to. So if they refer to plural noun,
Yeah.
then all and some, they are singular. Plural.
Mhm.
If they refer to singular, they're singular.
Yes.
So if we talk about some in the sentence here,
Yeah.
some of the beads are missing.
So it refers to the beads,
Beads.
and that's why it's plural.
Yes. So
Some
in this
the
case,
water,
some is
water
become
is singular, and therefore is a singular.
is a singular. Very
Yes.
good. So similarly with all.
Okay. Is there something important here that you want to share?
It's just that you have to ask yourself, are we talking about countable or uncountable nouns? If it is
Okay.
countable and it is plural, then it becomes plural. If it is uncountable, then that means it is singular, so it becomes singular.
Yeah, because water is uncountable,
Yes.
so it's always singular.
Always singular.
I'll just write this down. Uncountable nouns always singular. Okay. That's
Okay.
important. We speak correctly, but okay, perhaps we don't know it grammatically. Okay, we'll go to the next slide.
Sure. Okay. So when we talk about and if and joins two subjects, it becomes plural. But
Yes.
that is not the case with together with as well as along with.
Yes.
So if we say the mayor as well as his brothers is going to prison.
Yeah.
Why? In case of together with, as well as, and along with, in addition to, in case of all these words,
Yeah.
what happens? The first one takes the verb. The first noun takes the verb.
This is very important.
Yeah.
So we will repeat this again.
Okay, so
You're saying that together with, as well as, along with, they do not make it plural if,
Yes.
if there's anybody else joining. So
Yeah.
for example, the example that you have here, this one, the mayor as well as his brother is going to prison. So the noun it will always be mayor, as
Mayor.
well as will not, the brothers will not have an impact on the verb.
So in this case, what we have to see is what is the first noun. If the first noun is plural, we take a plural
Yes,
verb. If
yes.
the first noun is singular, we take the singular noun. You can always see what is the first one. But in case of and, it is always plural.
Okay, so maybe I just change this. You help me. The brothers of the mayor, as well as, let's say, the mayor,
Yeah. Are going.
are going to prison.
Yes. So in this case, my subject is brothers,
Perfect.
right?
Yeah.
But in case of and, it is always plural.
Yes,
The
and because it's
mayor
always an addition.
and his brothers are
Yes.
going to prison.
Yes.
But if you write a sentence which says the chairman
Let me just write
or
this down.
the chairman
The chairman
and
and
member of committee
member of committee.
So, do we write is in the meeting or are in the meeting?
The chairman and member of committee are.
Is in the meeting.
Okay.
Why? This is called repetition of article.
Is in the meeting. Important.
Yes. Why do we say it? Is because we have the chairman and member. So that means he is one person. The chairman is also the member of committee.
Okay.
If I write the chairman and the member of committee,
Okay. So then it
then
would
there
be
are
are.
two people.
The chairman and member of committee, because it means that the chairman is a part of member of committee, and therefore it is.
Yes.
Okay,
So he is
very
the chairman
important.
and also the member of committee. So in that case, he is the one. He is one person.
Can you give another example which is similar to this?
You can write fish and chips is my favorite dish.
Fish and chips is my favorite dish.
So in this case, fish and chips makes one dish.
Right.
We don't say fish and chips are my favorite dish.
Absolutely.
We say roses and guns is my favorite band.
Okay. Guns and Roses.
Guns and Roses. Sorry, and we can say the horse and carriage is on the street.
Horse and carriage is on the street,
Yeah,
because then
because
it's
it's
a
one
unit.
entity.
It's a one unit.
Yeah. So this is also, if there is a repetition of article, then there are two.
Yeah, because I was just wondering, the chairman and the member of committee are in the meeting.
Yes.
Right. Absolutely. Okay.
Okay.
So we go ahead.
Yes. So that was about together with, as well as, and along with.
Sure.
Okay, now let's see other rule.
Yeah.
Neither and neither. They're always singular.
Neither and neither, yes, they are always singular.
Even if they are referred to plural. For example, we say neither of the two traffic lights.
Neither
It's written.
of the two traffic, yes, it's written. Lights
It's always is.
is working.
So we're talking about neither. So it is
Yes.
neither is working.
Yes.
So similarly, which shirt do you want for Christmas? Either is fine with me.
Absolutely.
So
it's
it
always
is
singular.
yes, it is always. So neither and either is always singular. But when we talk about or and nor, there is a rule for that.
Or and nor. Should
Yes.
it's in the next slide?
Yes, let's move to
Or
the next.
nor. So let's look at or and nor.
Yes.
Yes.
In case of or and nor, whatever is closer to the verb
Mhm.
takes the verb.
Yes.
Okay, if we go to the second sentence,
Okay.
either my father or my brothers are going to sell the house. So what is closer? The verb is are.
Yeah.
So what is closer to the verb? Brothers. So brothers plural.
Yeah.
So in this case, verb will be plural. Neither my brothers nor my father is going to sell the house.
Yeah.
Again, father is singular.
Yes.
Therefore, there will be a singular verb.
So the word succeeding, it's
Yes.
not the preceding, because father is preceding, but brothers are succeeding.
Yeah, so whatever is closer to the verb, we always say it this way to remember. Your verb
Closer
is
to the verb.
right? It is not about whether it is the first or the second.
Understood. Closer to the verb, very important. This is again very important. A lot of students make mistake in this. Yes.
Now, are either my brothers or my father responsible? See, in this case, I'm talking about the first noun.
Yes.
But because it is closer to the verb, therefore it will take the verb. So we're not talking about the first and second here. We're only talking about what is closer to the verb.
Yes.
So are is plural, brothers is plural.
Yeah.
Therefore, we take are.
Absolutely understood.
Is either my father or my brothers responsible? So father singular. Therefore, we take it singular.
Wonderful.
Okay. Let's move to the next slide.
Maybe you want to just repeat this quickly once again?
Yeah, whatever. In case of neither and either,
Yeah, it's
they're
always
always singular. In case of or, nor, and or, you always have to see whatever is closer to the word.
So if you have a neither and an either, but you also have a nor and or,
Yeah, so
then you look
what is closer to
look
the
to the
word?
subject which is closer to the verb,
Yes,
and the subject and that verb will agree.
that's right.
Absolutely.
So what when we say neither and either, so in that case it is neither of, either of.
Yes.
So, but it is if it is neither nor, either or,
Yeah.
in that case you have to go with the second rule, which is whatever is closer to the verb takes the verb.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see when we have positive and negative parts in the sentence in the next slide.
Okay.